Spark Your Fire presents Self-Destruction, the only way to start self-improvement. Self-destruction often serves as a crucial precursor to self-improvement, highlighting the need to confront limiting beliefs before diving into productivity hacks. Without addressing these foundational issues, the journey of self-improvement can feel like an uphill battle, lacking stability and direction. Embracing self-destruction can be transformative, as it allows individuals to dismantle harmful patterns and rebuild a stronger self. By recognizing this struggle, viewers can appreciate the importance of laying a solid foundation for meaningful growth. In the context of personal growth, self-destruction refers to the process of dismantling negative self-identities that hinder progress. This often involves confronting the inner critic, which can significantly impede personal development by fostering self-doubt and limiting beliefs. To truly evolve, individuals must challenge these self-doubts head-on, recognizing that dismantling these harmful narratives is essential for cultivating a healthier self-image. By doing so, they pave the way for authentic growth and transformation. Facing fears head-on is essential for personal growth, and practical steps can make this journey manageable. Consider enrolling in public speaking classes to build confidence and tackle anxiety in a supportive environment. It's crucial to take action, even when discomfort arises, as this is where true transformation occurs. By confronting fears, individuals not only expand their comfort zones but also unlock new opportunities, fostering resilience and self-discovery that propel them toward their goals. Training for a boxing match can be likened to the process of self-destruction, where two approaches emerge, one that avoids sparring and another that embraces it. The latter confronts fears through real-life challenges, pushing boundaries and building resilience. Just as a boxer must face tough opponents to improve, individuals must embrace discomfort to foster growth. By stepping into the ring of their fears, viewers can emerge stronger, more skilled, and ready to tackle life's challenges head-on. Making space for new habits and goals is essential for personal development, much like using a trash can to dispose of negative self-image. Just as a full trash can can't hold anything new, mental clutter prevents growth. By emptying this clutter, individuals create room for positive change. Self-destruction, in this context, becomes a necessary process, allowing one to discard limiting beliefs and make space for healthier habits and aspirations that foster a more fulfilling life. Confronting fears is a powerful catalyst for increased self-esteem, as small victories play a significant role in overcoming insecurities. Each time individuals face a fear, whether big or small, they gain confidence and a sense of accomplishment. These victories empower them to tackle even greater challenges, reinforcing their belief in their abilities. Viewers are encouraged to recognize and celebrate their progress in personal development, as each step forward contributes to a stronger, more resilient self-image. Reframing personal development as an exciting journey transforms the uphill battle of self-improvement into an adventure of growth. Embracing the process of self-destruction allows individuals to shed old habits and beliefs, paving the way for new possibilities. This journey is not just about overcoming obstacles, it's about discovering one's true potential. Viewers are encouraged to see the beauty in this transformative process, as it leads to fulfillment and a richer, more meaningful life experience. In summary, self-destruction plays a vital role in personal growth, allowing individuals to dismantle limiting beliefs and embrace transformation. It's essential to confront fears and take actionable steps toward improvement. I encourage you to engage with this journey, recognizing that each challenge faced contributes to your development. If you found this discussion valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video to foster a community dedicated to continued growth and support on this exciting path.